Hello, this is the City of Selkirk Water Treatment Plant. I'm Troy. I've been an operator here for 24 years. And come on in and we'll show you what we do around here. We used to be on river water and mixed wells, but we stopped doing that in 1995 when we built a reservoir next door, which is a 2 million gallon storage tank. The city averages about 2,800 cubic meters a day of water, and in summertime it goes up to 3,500 cubic meters a day on average. Right now our water comes from 4 wells within the city limits and 2 wells halfway to Clandeboye. So we'll go upstairs and we'll look at the clarifier where the well water comes in. I'll take this off. Lime comes in blown by a semi, and it comes in a blue silo there. It's 40 tons. And this machine's called a slaker, and it's mixed into a paste. What happens in the water out there, there's a chemical reaction. So this is just a rock, and you add water. See? That's the reaction in the water. It'll actually melt this plastic cup. The heat created by the reaction produces that much amount of heat where it melts the plastic cup. And here how we treat it is the clarifier. And the way we treat it, in the middle of the clarifier, the well water and the lime and the polymers mixed in. Come to the middle of the clarifier and we'll see the reaction right now. So down this pipe we add the lime, and over here we add the polymer. And the well comes up in the middle and is being mixed in this section. And from this section it drops under, and we skim the clean water off the top. And after we skim the clean water off the top, it goes into a CO2 basin. We add CO2, which is an acid, to bring the pH down, because when we add that lime, the pH goes up between 11.2 and 11.8, depends on the reaction. We skim the clean water off the top in these troughs and launderers, and then it comes down this trough. It goes into a CO2 mixing zone and a CO2 contact time zone. Come over here. Right now, the pH over there is 11.8. At this moment in the mixing zone, the pH is 8.5. So it goes in the basin here, detention time in here, so it has time to react with the water. Then it flows from the CO2 basin to anthracite, coal, and sand filters. So after the CO2 basin, it comes to a filter. So there's 24 inches of this in that tank, 24 inches of anthracite coal, 24 inches of filter sand, and 200 square foot, what do they call it, filter. Whatever gets carried over from the clarifier gets stuck in these filters, and the clarity of the water is super clear when it comes out of here. Okay, after the filters, we have to add chlorine for government regulations. If there's any bacteria or any parasites left in the water, when it leaves here, it's virtually clean. But if it picks up anything in the pipes, it'll kill off most parasites and all bacteria and viruses.
And that's like a government regulation?
That's right. Minimum of 0.5 is government regulation. Since we use chlorine gas, you have to be trained and certified to go in that room. That room's totally sealed from the rest of the building. That's added before it goes to the reservoir, and it needs a 20-minute contact time for government regulation.
So then it goes through the chlorine, and it goes through that system, and then it just goes straight into the...
That's right. Then it goes straight to a reservoir we have behind the kin center, behind the rink. This is our 2 million gallon reservoir. We have 3 pumps that pump 1,100 gallons a minute maximum. We use the water tower for pressure right now, or we could use the pressure sensor. Depends on what situation we need it in. So a water tower is 118 feet high, which produces approximately 48 psi pressure. That's what causes the pressure in your tap. So right now the city's using 39 liters per second, and during lunch hour and everything else it'll fluctuate to 40 to 50 to 60, or if you open up a hydrant it'll be 100 liters a second. And the water tower, we also have a circulation pump which circulates water in there so the water doesn't get stagnant or anything. In case of a heavy drop in water, there will always be fresh water in the water tower to use. Well, that's the end of my tour for today, so thanks for stopping by.